What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. We're having fun with some 250Rs today. We got a couple of quad motors going together. This one's got a mushroom crank. First things first, we got to get the crank out of the cases and the bearing. Then we turn around, we throw it in the lathe, we clean up that end, and we make it usable. This is a fun little build, rather simple, not much to it. Get it apart, get everything sandblasted, cleaned up, made pretty. We stick it in the oven. We add some matte black to the cases. We add gloss black to the covers. That way there's a neat little offset that's kind of not really obvious. We sandblasted the crank valley so that it's nice and smooth. Actually helps with atomization a little bit. Stick them in the oven and bake them on down. Really like the gloss that the powder coat puts on these things. Definitely better than paint. And then we've got the final assembly. Everything's all laid out. New seals, new bearings, new. Even a new top end. Yep, brand new out the box. Really pretty. We left that alone, so it's just the cast aluminum color, as you'll see towards the end of the video. And of course, we're going to do some of the funny Sawyer custom and speed methods that make everybody cringe, like the old impact on the clutch basket. It does have a lock washer. You fold the lock washer over, the nut doesn't come off, especially if you put the two little ears where they belong in the clutch basket. It is designed that way for a reason. Yes, there's a torque spec. I've never used it. I've been doing this for a really long time. Never had any problems. Not going to change my ways now. This is a custom shop. We don't typically do things normal anyways. We're accustomed to people saying that that's not a possibility, and we're used to proving them wrong. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. We have memberships available. We are accessible. You want to send me a message or something like that? You got kinds of problems with your motors or bikes or whatnot? I've helped many people diagnose problems, fix bikes, build bikes. Just give general idea, use my education and knowledge for everybody else's benefit. I'm not going to be around forever. I'd rather share the knowledge than keep it to myself. So if you've got questions, comments, anything like that, throw them down in the comments below. Really appreciate everybody watching these videos. The longer you watch these videos, the more it helps out the channel. Subscriptions, everybody that hits that subscribe button or that follow button, it really helps out the channel a lot. It's not a joke. We don't say that just so that you hit the button. Considering the majority of people that are watching these videos are first-time viewers, go ahead, look through the channel. We've got over 1,000 videos on this channel, rides, builds, how-tos, all kinds of different stuff that is off-road and build related. Play around with quads and trikes mainly, a lot of custom stuff. Everything rolls over nice and smooth. My ability to hold the camera on the other hand and spin the motor over is lacking. I am my own editor. We don't have a team here. Just me, myself, and I. We do all the shop work. We do all the camera work. We do everything. Tony's around every once in a while. He's my sponsored rider. He goes out and makes my builds look good. Guy's fast. He's been quad champion at Dade City Motocross multiple times in a row. Let me know what you think of this motor. It is absolutely gorgeous, and we're going to show you the frame that Dave put together. Nice little roller for it to go in. 89 TRX 250R. Have a great day, everybody. And this is the motor that's going to go in my 86. If anybody was wondering, I did fix that hole. Weld it all up nice. Round it back down. We've got cases powder coated, and we've got the translucent blue on the clutch cover. Stay tuned for the rest of the build.